So let us look at an example, a load calculation example. This is a group of duplexes, new construction, being built in Connecticut, actually built now in Connecticut. Uh, the company I work for was doing ratings, HERS ratings and Energy Star certification for these buildings. And as part of the ratings, we need to review that load calcs were performed. So we got load calcs from the engineer, from the designer, room by room load calcs using a manual J software. Fantastic. I think this is a very reasonable breakdown of loads. These were 3-bedroom duplexes, really modest. You know, they didn't put closets in separately or the powder room with no exterior walls.